Hello everyone, welcome to Collective Gardening. So today I am taking you all to a 13th Grand Nursery Mela that every year we will have in Hyderabad, Telangana. So Telangana State Government will have this event. They will conduct this event of Nursery Mela. This is a very good news for all the plant lovers that we have every year. So this is all the tent. The tent that you can see over white color is that nursery exhibition where it is going to happen. So let's get inside. So this is all the nursery that you can see, the Mela, 13th Grand Mela, and this has been opened on 26th January, Republic Day. So I have visited on the same day, but I have visited in the afternoon. So this is what this entire exhibition look like. So I have seen some. This is interesting store where I can see all bamboo related products over here, and they are all handmade products, and I loved all these things. Here they have so many options of table planters, especially if you can see this. These are test tube table planters where they are putting some lucky bamboos in it, and those are hanged ones. And all these were very nice. If you can see, they have spoons, they have some tongue cleaners and all. So I have taken this wall hanger. I'll show you at the end. And this is the basket that I was asking. The prices was pretty much because all these things are handmade. And next I was going to this. I have seen these roses. They are looking very wonderful. So I've visited all these nurseries, and this every year I will visit this nursery mela. Some of the other things that we will learn out of this nursery mela, because we can see people coming from different areas, from Hyderabad and Telangana, but even from other states as well, to purchase, to keep the stalls and all. So here is the Sneha's nursery. Whenever I visit to this Grand Nursery Mela, definitely I'm going to visit this Sneha nursery. And I've seen some ceramic pots that they are selling here for the first time. I haven't seen this before. Probably I don't know if I've missed. Caught my eye very very well, because all these colors are very good. So mostly these planters are useful for office purposes and all, but as per my knowledge, because these planters are very heavy, so this is for like decor purpose, if you can just put our normal regular. So here again, Sneha nursery. So here in this particular nursery we can find all variety of vegetable saplings. So here I am seeing this drumsticks plants, which cost me around 220 rupees each. So I've taken two of them. So here we find all varieties of vegetable saplings, and also even flower saplings as well. So in this nursery mela, that is one advantage, where people who are like people like me, like who starts their own terrace garden and all, they can buy directly all the saplings from these nurseries or this nursery mela that happens every year in Hyderabad. So most of the people from nurseries and all, and who starts their own kitchen garden, they will come and visit these nurseries, visit this mela to buy all these plants here. So here are some of flower saplings here, and here we have all vegetable saplings. If you can see, this is these are the all trays, that seedling trays that they have arranged in a proper way, and they have kept here all varieties of seedling trays. We have a number different varieties. So this is another brinjal of different colors and different things. Also we have so many. We have broccoli, we have all other varieties as well. And the price that they are selling is like pretty much good price, costing 10 rupees each, or some even 5 rupees each. So based upon the size of the sapling, the prices will be there. And 10 rupees and 5 rupees is that good amount that you are spending for your saplings, because putting a seed and getting a plant and all, it will take time. So it is a good method of investing certain money, very little amount of money on a good samplings is pretty much good. So I have taken few beans.
ఇది ఇవ్వరా బీన్స్
You can see Kira for 10 rupees and all. Chili plants, we have n number of varieties because as I have already few plants at my terrace, so I have taken only very few plants, very few saplings.
ఇదేంటి చిక్కుడుకాయ ఒకటి ఎక్స్క్యూజ్ మీ
So he's the one who's person who is helping me out to pick up my saplings. I have even taken carrot. So here we have ornamental saplings as well. So people who wants to set up their ornamental plants like floral plants and all can start. So after coming back from that place, Neha Nursery, here I found some good decor pieces for gardening and all. So people who wants to gift some decor plants, people some wants to put some decor items for their garden space and all. This is that particular shop, one particular shop where you can find good amount of stuff. Here are succulents that they are selling, and we even have some miniature figurines or miniature garden decor pieces that we have, that generally people decor for fairy gardens and all, put for fairy gardens. So if you can see different varieties of miniature figurines we have, and at different prices. So prices costs from 5 rupees, 10 rupees to its extent as the size and all. So if you can see here, all varieties of things we have, miniature things, tables, chairs, dogs, ducks, everything that we have. People who wants to set up their own miniature garden, fairy garden and all, and people who are interested to gift any fairy gardens to any loved ones, they can collect some fairy miniature figurines from this particular place as well. Or even these mostly figurines are used for terrariums and also even the fairy gardens as well. So it look very nice when we decor all these things, all those fairy gardens with these items. So here if you can see, this particular nursery have good quality of different plants, indoor plants, which we can have here, different varieties of adeniums and all. So I've even collected the visiting card of this particular nursery, which I have, and willing to visit this nursery because I want good adeniums. If possible, if I can found any good adeniums here near, so in my area, I will even buy them. And here I went to another expo, where is rare plant expo, where you can find all rare variety of plants, or even these are some indoor plants. This time indoor plants are costing me, plants price was very much too high, so I was not concentrated much on indoor plants, because generally indoor plants we can find anywhere. If you can see here, I have seen this philodendron plant, variegated one, and I've asked the price, and they have said for this small plant they have the price was 1500. I thought the price was pretty much, so I haven't bought that plant, but the collection was very good. Collection this time was the collections I have seen rare variety of indoor plants. So they are saying the price is 1500. So for this small plant and 1500 prices, I thought it's too much, so I didn't bought that plant, but it was looking very nice. I am a person who wants to collect rare variety plants because it gives that good vibes where we have that rare variety plants in and around. So I mostly prefer rare variety plants. So here is another rare plants. This time I have taken fruit plants as well. So I've collected mulberry plant, I have collected even bay leaf plant, and we have good amount of other plants as well. So if people who are watching near in Hyderabad, I would even put the link or the card of this shop or the stall where you can directly contact that particular person, and even you can have the amount that the prices were very pretty. Now this mulberry plant I've got it for 100 rupees, and this is bay leaf plant which again 100 rupees. They have costed me 100 rupees. So they have good amount of plants here as well. So you can, if you have that proper good terrace where you can manage to have all fruit plants, so you can have. So I've seen very different varieties of plants. We have cinnamon plants, cinnamon tree as well, like plant in a plant size, of course. So good amount of rare plants which I can see here. We have a sweet lime, we have good plants, but as I am a first time person who started terrace garden, so I didn't took that much plant, like so many plants. So here we have that nursery where we can find all this vermicompost and every compost and all that things. So I've taken few 5 kgs of vermicompost, and here are some other hanging planters and all. So every nursery we can find some or the other things here. So I was asking this money plant, which is marble money plant, but they have costed me too much. So I thought like this I can find it everywhere, so I just kept that aside and I went inside. As I'm going inside, I've seen this is that particular nursery which I have got to see good rare varieties of variegated plants. If you can see here, we have variegated syngoniums and some ferns and some calatheas as well. But if you go further, I have got to see this variegated plants, like variegated aglonimas as well. And here is that one good plant of Monstera deliciosa variegated, and this plant is 1500 or 1500 rupees, and the plant size is very pretty. I just can't, I was standing there for some time and watching these plants. They are very good in condition and I loved these plants, but as I don't have that pretty place so much, so I didn't bought. So this is all the video of Grand Nursery Mela part 1. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to Collective Gardening.